Hi, my name is Terry Clark. I'm a certified personal fitness trainer and a nutrition specialist. Today I want to talk about the best exercise to build your workout program around. The best exercise to build your workout program around, regardless to whether you're trying to build muscle, lose body fat, or just get in shape, is the deadlift. The deadlift should be performed in 2 steps. The first step should focus in on the upper body, making sure you have the correct technique and posture. The second step should focus in on the lower body. It is important to remember that the deadlift is a hip thrusting exercise and not a lower back squatting exercise. The deadlift is such an effective exercise because it builds and works on almost every major muscle group in the body. It builds the legs, the stomach, the upper back, and the trapezius muscles. There's no other exercise that builds more muscle groups than the deadlift.